All right, we are outside my parents' house. We are hopefully going to be able to do a developer micro test despite the wintry weather conditions. So let me go ahead and get the developer micro from inside where it's been staying warm. I've done a little bit of weatherproofing where we didn't have side plates. I was not able to get back up to the office after we did the last little bit of setup and configuration to where this will be the developer micro's first automated flight. And again, I'll definitely not duct tape up an engineer's, best tool, right? Well, without any further ado, let me go place it and we'll see it hopefully do its first automated flight and see how well it holds up to these wintry weather conditions. Probably better than me. And there goes all my good graces of not doing the sound effect. All right, and it is definitely nice and wet out here. It was going to be a now or never sort of thing, and probably smarter to do, well, not never, but tomorrow or the next day. But here we are. We have a connection. We need to select STM32. We're at -1% battery. We have no satellites we're connected to. I was getting a satellite connection inside the house earlier today, and there we are. We just got a connection to 4 satellites. Probably should have held off, but yellow, right? We just went down to 0 satellites again from 4. We set up back here, not for ideal GPS satellite conditions, but for camera conditions, and it looks like that may be coming back to bite us, as much as it is nice being under this cover here. We have 5 satellites. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make it before this weather gets too bad. Yeah, this is already too windy. All right, we are back and we're going to try it. We just got, I think, up to 10 satellites here, and we're just going to do a very simple, actually I'm going to enable the joystick and then just a very simple takeoff. So fly drone, arm and fly, and launch. And let's see. I'm going to have to check the terminal, fail to arm to guided mode. Let me go ahead and connect and cue ground control. If we have to do a compass calibration, that again may be just enough to stop these efforts for today. Yeah, I think we're getting a magnetic compass calibration issue or a magnetic interference issue due to the bench that's metal right underneath it.
Radio failsafe clear.
We're up to 13 satellites, but yeah, I just don't think we're in like the best spot. Let me see if I were to move the micro down to the grass, which also not ideal in these conditions, but here?
I can see it there.
All right, and I'm gonna move the bench just to give developer a bit more space. That actually just made it worse. All right, so we have more satellites, but it looks like we are running into magnetic interference. There's a big concrete slab that the Develop Air Micro is right next to, so there's probably some sort of metal rebar in there. So I think for real this time we'll cut it. You'll catch us in the next video and you'll see this Develop Air Micro take flight. Thanks for watching.